Hello, my name is Rich Howard, and I'm the owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is going to be talking about and going through the steps of basically building a work area, a desk we're going to build, and we're going to add some other creature comforts to a environment in which I spend time working in. So let's move forward and let me show you what I have in mind.
If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it.
The only thing we have to do now, what do we got to do now? I think all we really have to do is just move all of this stuff on the desk over to its new home. So let's just proceed and do that. Snap the lid up. Very good. Hey, Ronio, first look. I'm not completely on, huh? No, I'm not. Both these, I don't have all the hooks fully engaged.
If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it.
Out of there. There we go. Okay. So in order for this to work, the keyboard's going to have to be in the right position from the get-go, and we're going to have to, we're going to have to be able to push the keyboard back. So the keyboard is going to need to sit about here. Okay. The laptop can sit here. There's no problem with that sitting here. It's powered. I only have one power adapter on this, apparently. All right, we're gonna have to wait for the laptop to restart before I start plugging things into it. Plus, I'm gonna need zip ties. So I'm gonna go find some zip ties. Not awful. It's not awful. Come on, laptop. Here's some zip ties. So a little bit of cable management is all that's necessary at this point. I don't love the microphone. Now, time to get in here. Move, move. We go right through there. We'll come right through that. Yeah, buddy. Why? You never know. When you might need to get those bicycles down. But now we'll be able to. My wife walked in and saw those bicycles and she said, "Oh, you're never going to ride those bicycles again." I said, "Well, that is likely true. But they are not left without the ability of retrieving them." All right. Okie dokie. So the drop leaf is going to mostly stay up, as I'm sure that you would understand. Now all we need to do is kind of just tighten this up. What's left over on our desk? Our old desk. Now I got a tape measure. And I got a remote for the fan, which I like a lot, by the way. I've got this APC, and I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put that, actually. I think what I'll do is get it put on the wall. Well, that's the reason it's here is because I want it to be installed. So we're gonna pop that in. Okay. Having a problem here with this outlet. I don't know why. Let's test for AC voltage here. Not getting any voltage here. Why is that? That's weird. Okay. You gotta know that that's live. That's coming here. I wonder if something got compromised in here. I don't think so. That's coming from the fuse panel. This is feeding that one outlet. This is going over to the entertainment center. I wonder if we're getting power at the outlet behind the entertainment center. I got two outlets over there that are marked unused, and I'm wondering, let's turn them both on. Maybe both of them are not unused. I've got unused on 15 and 16, and they're both open. I mean, if they're unused, that doesn't matter what I just did. But we still have our charger plugged in, and nothing came on it. I would have had to have believed that I would have tested all this. What, huh? I'm getting nothing out of either of those outlets, so I can cut the tape off of this, run the risk of getting a little excitement in my life that I don't want. I turned both of those outlets on over there and nothing came on. I wonder if I actually didn't test this before. This is stupid.
If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it.
You know what? I gotta think I would have tested that. Let's look at the fuse panel first. I mean, to button all that up like that and not know it works.
Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.